Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to install Raspberry Pi OS in under 25 minutes. Let's get started. Hello guys, welcome back. The first thing you want to do is open up Edge or any other web browser you want to use. Then I'm going to type in raspberrypi.org. Once that loads up, I'm going to click Software, and then I'm going to scroll down until I get to the Install Raspberry Pi OS using Raspberry Pi Imager. This is definitely the easiest way to do this. I'm going to click Download for Windows because I'm on Windows, and then Open. Okay, here's Raspberry Pi Imager. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? I'm going to say yes. And then install. Okay, now I'm going to click finish, and it should load up within a couple of seconds. Here it is. I'm going to click choose OS, Raspberry Pi OS other, and I'm going to choose the full version. This comes with extra apps, extra editors and stuff like that. Then insert your flash drive, click choose storage, and then the flash drive that you have inserted. You can also insert an SD card. That will work also, but I do recommend a flash drive because it is faster, at least if it's 3.0. Then click write, and then click yes. Do know that all the data that's on the flash drive will be deleted and you cannot recover it. Just keep that in mind. This whole process will take around 21 minutes, and then I'll be back with you whenever it's done. Well, that's it. That's how you flash Raspberry Pi OS to a flash drive or an SD card. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, like, and comment.